Imagine a world where all repetitive tasks are automated and computers carry out complex operations with a simple command. How would that impact our efficiency and productivity? This is not a distant dream. It's the reality of automation and computer programming. In our exploration today, we delve into the fascinating world of automation and programming. These two fields, though distinct, are interconnected, each amplifying the power of the other. First, we demystify automation. Simply put, automation is the application of technology, programs, and systems to control and monitor the production and delivery of various goods and services. It's like creating a virtual workforce that can work tirelessly, increasing productivity and reducing errors. Next, we shed light on computer programming. In essence, programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. It's like learning a new language that allows us to converse with the computer, instructing it to perform tasks to our specification. Now, how do these two fields come together? The magic happens when we use programming to automate tasks. Imagine writing a program that can sort a list of 1,000 names in alphabetical order in seconds, or one that can monitor and adjust the temperature of a room based on the number of people present. These are just a few examples of what can be achieved when we combine programming with automation. To master these fields, it's important to understand the underlying principles and the tools at our disposal. From programming languages like Python or Java, to automation tools like Selenium or Jenkins, the landscape is vast and varied. In essence, automation and programming are about creating solutions. They empower us to design systems that enhance efficiency, reduce error, and free up time for more creative and complex tasks. In summary, we've explored the fascinating world of automation and programming. We've defined what they are, how they interact, and the potential they hold. We've also highlighted the importance of learning the principles and tools that underpin these fields. Remember, the future is automated, and programming is a key that unlocks this future. So, whether you're a professional looking to enhance your skills or a beginner eager to explore, the journey into automation and programming is one well worth taking.